Hello friends, in this video I will show how to adjust table cell width and height in Google Docs. So open Google Docs. Now insert table. Now to adjust cell size and height, right click on any cell, then table properties. Now here expand column. Check this box, column width. Adjust your desired size. Click on this row. Select here minimum row height and adjust your required height for this row. Now click here, and once you right click on it, here you can see the option distribute rows. Similarly, distribute columns. So this way you can adjust width and height for a cell in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.